Hey, I'm Rosie and welcome to my channel. Today is number 3 of our daily workouts. We're going to be focusing on our upper body, our arms and our core. We have cardio thrown in there too. If you're just joining us today, feel free to go back to the start to workout number 1 and catch up with us. But let's get started. Let's begin with our warm-up. Okay, we're just going to start with a slight fast walk on the spot. Almost like a march. Start to bring that energy up a little bit. Okay, we're gonna jump and lunge. Here we go. We're gonna jump and switch. Get low. This time we're gonna jump and hold. Down, down, jump, down, down, jump. Back to our singles. Repeat it, back to our hold. Go down and down, switch. Okay, jumping jacks for 2. 1, 2, and knee lift. 1, 2, knee lift. 1, 2, step, lift, step, lift. Just sit out. Keep them legs going, but lift them arms. Bring arms down. Really get them arms moving. Okay, step it out here. Look to the side and switch. Shoulders back. Look up and down. So to the side. We're gonna lift the shoulders up and down. We're gonna circle arms back. Here we go for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Arms out. Reach it over to the side. And up. And the other side. Arms up. Reach it across. Keep that shoulder down. And reach across. Out. Pull it back. So I'm sticking my chest out, reach around to the front, curve it over. Reach up, pull them wrists back. So then lower arm stretch. So reach out. Reach up, hang down. Let them shoulders gently move up and down. Keep them knees nice and bent. Bend and roll up in your own time. Good work, you guys. Let's get ready for our first routine. Okay, this section is our creative core workout routine. It's really important for everybody to have a good, strong core. Everybody benefits from this. For our balance, for our posture, it's so important. When we're working on our core, we are working on our pelvis, our lower back, our hips, and our abdominal muscles are all working together. So we're gonna start lying down, knees bent. We're gonna slide our foot out and up. Engaging that core, pulling it in to the floor. That lower back is curved under and up. And up. 3 more. This is 7. Keep our hips square. Up. Last one. And up. Okay, we're gonna bend our knees up and down. And up. I have my hands on my lower abdominal area to really feel that I'm engaging that core. 3. And 4. 5. 6. 2 more. 7. Okay, this time we're gonna straighten our legs out together and lift our knees up, off the floor, down, and up. Watch that lower back, down, up. Okay, turn over. Okay, we're gonna lift our hand off the floor and down. Engaging that core. Up as you lift. Left foot off and in. Now right, in. Take that right hand up and down. And up, down. Left foot. Up and in. Okay, this time our right hand and our left foot, take it up together to match. And down. Switch over. Down. Again. And in. And out. Great job, you guys. Take a couple of seconds for yourself and have a quick break. This section is cardio mountain. This is a level 2 routine. So we're gonna be raising that heartbeat real slow, climbing up. Then we're gonna bring it all the way to the top. We're gonna keep going, and then we're gonna drop it back down, and we're gonna climb back down, going into a low impact. So engage that core. We're gonna start off nice and soft. Just padding through the feet. We're gonna step to the side. Bend that supporting leg, lift that chest. Focus on your breathing for this slow bit. Okay, next step, we're gonna take a box step. 2 low and then 2 high. Low, high, down. Let's change these arms up. Nice and tension. Start to lift these knees. We're gonna pull it back. Again. And pull it down. Feet back. Okay, we're gonna take it to the floor. We're gonna down, out, in, jump up, down, out to plank, in, jump up, down, out, down, reach up, down, tap, go back down to your plank. We're gonna run these knees, keeping that core nice and tight. Back to start. We're gonna twist it out. Okay, here we go. We're gonna take it down to the floor. Jump up, cross it out. Jump up, cross it out. Jump, jump, cross it out. Jump, jump, cross it out. Switch the feet back in front. We're gonna take it up and in, out and in. And fast runs. Twist it out. Quick small runs. Here we go. Down, reach up, cross it out. Down, reach up, cross it out. Down, up, cross it out. Cross it out. Okay, we're gonna start to bring that energy down. Into a slow pad. Okay, step side to side, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Deep breaths here, you guys. Down, up. Bring it back together. Great job, you guys. Take a moment, have a quick breather, grab some water if you need to. Let's get ready for our next routine. Okay, this exercise is arm toning. We are working on our upper arm area and our upper back area. For this workout, you don't need any equipment at all. We're gonna be using force, movement, and tension. All three things. So we want nice, strong arms. We don't want weak arms like this. Our arms are gonna be moving the whole time. So you're gonna feel that burn right away. If you don't feel it, you're doing it wrong. Nice, strong arms. Use that tension and the force. Okay, we're gonna start with small circles. And back. And front. And back. We're gonna keep it here to the front. And back. We're gonna use uppercuts. Watch these shoulders, don't lift. The shoulders should not be working. Pull it down. And up. And down. And up. Pull it down. And up. Watch these shoulders in line with these arms. We're gonna pull it down. Let the elbows do the leading. Pull it up. Remember them shoulders, don't move. And up. This should be working from our back. Good, arms in. Imagine there's a magnet pulling your arms together and you're trying to force it apart.
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Double speed, here we go. In. Nice. We're gonna push it back. And forward. And back. And forward. Arm circles, back to the beginning. Woo! Keep it going, don't let them arms get weak and don't drop them. Pull it back. And forward, watch them shoulders, don't creep up. Uppercuts. Keep it here. Pull it down. Woo. You got this, guys. Pull it up. Woo. Here we go. Back to our right angles. Our elbows are gonna lead. And down. Push up. And down. And up. Okay, arms straight out to the side. Pull it in. And open. And in. 2, 3, 4, and open. 6, 7, 8. Double time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This time, elbows are gonna lead in and open. I really want to see that tension. Look at them muscles tensing up. Use that force. Double feet. 1, 2. Always leading. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice work, you guys. Let them arms relax and go grab some water. Okay, we've now reached our last section of our workout. This is our cool down section. We're really gonna relax and stretch into our body and breathe real deep. You're gonna need a mat for this exercise. Lift up. Relax down. Breathe in. And out. And up. And let that head gently roll around. Take this roll in your own time. Switch directions. Over. Make sure this shoulder doesn't lift up and push down with the other shoulder. Switch. Bring that chin into your chest and gently just rock side to side. Then come up and reach over to the side. Just gently ease through this stretch. Switch sides. Keep that hip on the floor. And up. And wrap that arm across your body. Make sure this shoulder doesn't lift up. Pull it down. And gently with your other hand, pull your arm in. Switch sides. Pull that left knee over on top. If you need to, you can keep this leg stretched out or wrap it down. Put that hip down to the floor. Pull that knee into your chest. Keep a nice long straight back. Twist to the side. And switch sides. Pop that foot on top. Roll down. Pull it in, keep that hip down, and twist, and switch. Get on top, push down, keeping your hips on the floor, and gently come back up. Roll them shoulders. Thanks for working out with me today. I hope you enjoyed it and got a great workout in. I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to know how you're getting on with these workout daily challenges and what you want to see more of. Please feel free to drop me a comment. I really would love to hear from you and I will write back. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you're on Instagram, I'm at Very Rosie on Instagram. Tag me in your posts because I'd love to see you working along with me. See you for tomorrow's workout.